Want your family to become financially free? Follow these 7 simple rules.
Number 1. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn. A simple lifestyle creates lasting wealth.
Number 2. Pay yourself first. Save or invest at least 10 to 20% of every paycheck before paying bills. Number 3. Avoid bad debt. Stay away from high-interest credit card debt and unnecessary loans. Number 4. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses for unexpected situations. Number 5. Invest for the future. Put your money to work through index funds, retirement accounts, or other long-term investments.
Number 6. Teach your kids about money. Show them how to save, budget, and invest early. Financial education is a lifelong gift.
Number 7. Create multiple income streams. Don't rely on one paycheck. Start a side hustle, invest, or build passive income. Financial freedom isn't about earning more. It's about making smarter money decisions. Start with one rule today.